December 2nd, 2020 practice. We're going to continue with our customary units with our length. So how are we going to convert 108 inches to feet? So if we have 108 inches and we're trying to get it to feet, well, we're trying to convert inches to feet. We can do this a couple ways. So first of all, we can look back at our previous slides and say, okay, inches to feet. Well, right down here, that says divide by 12. Same thing up here. We can look at our previous ones. So we're going to divide by 12. But now, you can also look at it as, okay, so I know there's 12 inches in 1 foot. If I ignore that 108 for right now, 12 inches in 1 foot. Oh, yeah. From 12 to get to 1, I divide by 12. So we are going to divide by 12. So I'm going to drag that divide symbol and then by 12. So divide by 12. But what are we dividing by 12? This 108 here. So 108 divided by 12. All right, let's show our work. So 108, 108 divided by 12. All right, so, excuse me. 12 cannot go into 10, so 12 is going to have to go into 108. I know that 12 times 12 is 144, so it can't be that. 12 times 10 is 120. So what about 12 times 9? Let's do 12 times 9 and see what that gives us. Oh my goodness, I'm already out of ones. 12 times 9. Let's see what that gives us. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry that 1, drop that 8. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. Yeah, so we do have 108. So 12 times 9 does give us 108. So our answer here is going to be 9. It is 108. When you subtract, you get 0. So our answer equals 9. So in this text box down here, you can double click and you can type a 9 for 9 feet. Awesome sauce. Okay, so, oh wait, I actually need one of those ones though. I need all of those ones because apparently I don't put enough ones on the page. So sorry about that. All right, wrong thing. Nope, I'm gonna move that. All right, now the next one. We're going to take a look and we are going to, oh my goodness, let's try to delete that now. Perfect. Okay, so miles to yards. 7 miles equals how many yards? Well, I have 7 miles to how many yards? So miles to yards, I could go here. That's miles to feet. Ooh, miles to yards. So 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. So 1 mile, so miles to yards, miles to yards. We're going to multiply by 1,760. So we are going to multiply. So I do know that this helps us. So 1,760 yards is in 1 mile. So 1,760. 1,760 for 1 mile. So how do I get from 1 to 1,760? Yes, we are going to multiply by 1,760. All right, but what are we multiplying? 7. We're multiplying 7 yards. So 1,760 times 7. There's a couple ways we could do this. You can say, oh, there are only 2 answer options, 36 and 12,320. And obviously it would probably be the bigger one because 7 times that big number is not going to be 36. But let's double check. So 1,760 times 7. All right, so 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0 because anything times 0 is 0. 7 times 6 is 42. Going to carry that 4, drop that 2. 7 times 7 is 49, plus 4, 50, 51, 52, 53. Carry that 5, Drop that 3. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is going to be 12. So there's our answer, 12,320. Woohoo! So what we're going to do here is we're going to type in this box. We're going to double click it and type 12,320 yards equals 7 miles. And that's it for our practice. Great job!